I want to talk today about something that changed popular music forever: the development of multitrack recording. Before the 1950s, recording music was essentially a live event. Everyone in the band played at the same time, into one or two microphones, and whatever was captured on tape was the final product. If someone made a mistake, the entire group had to start over. Multitrack recording changed all of that. The technology allowed each instrument and voice to be recorded on a separate track, independently of the others. This meant a guitarist could record on Monday, a vocalist on Tuesday, and a drummer the following week, and it would all sound like they played together. The musician who really pushed this technology forward was Les Paul. Most people know him as a guitar legend, but he was also a tireless inventor. In the early 1950s, he built one of the first 8-track recorders in his home studio. He used it to layer multiple guitar parts and vocal harmonies, creating sounds that no live performance could replicate. This technique became the foundation of modern studio production. Without it, albums by artists from the Beatles to Beyoncé simply wouldn't exist as we know them. Next class, we'll listen to some early multitrack recordings and analyze how producers used the technology creatively.